3.
Okay. This is one of the 18 wheelers we're doing. This one here has a border, so I can cut this from the outside. Some windows you can't cut from the outside because it has a border like a car window. I can cut from the outside. So I'm gonna clean the window real good. I already pre-cut the film out. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it for about like a half an inch on each side. So I'm gonna start like right here. If you can see this border right here, so I'm gonna cut up a little bit. Yeah. So got that. You can end it now. So we're gonna go to the phase 2. You can end it, cut it off. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna roll it up, put it on the inside.
Esa ventana no está. That window is not working right.
On the other side.
So
Okay.
you have to
Push it
help
up.
with it.
Okay.
Okay.
So we got the guy on the video right now. Just say hi.
Hi.
All right. Thank you, buddy.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, that's all right. So I'm gonna roll it up right now. That's one of the truck owners that you just saw. So he gave us a bunch of trucks to do on this yard, which is a good. Okay. Okay, Victor, you can cut it off, Victor.
You ready?
Yeah, and.